What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 392Nat, and we back with another banger video. Man, y'all see what we got going on today? The hands-free, got the phone on the head, bro. We cutting up on the highway, bro. If I get some openings, bro, we really gonna be able to turn up. There we go. Well, Audi was getting active for a little minute, man. If y'all new to the videos, man, I shoot hella POVs. Just a lot of information on my car, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on this, man. We on our way to 2,100 subscribers. We going up for real. Get y'all a little bit cutting up. I hope the angle good though. The sun a little bit off. That's one thing about these cars, bro. We can bully people out the way. People gonna move when they see these cars. It ain't even the Audi fault right now. It's the dude in front of him. This thing so loud. That's a regular Jeep. Ah, it is. Come on, y'all boys. Get up out the way, bro. Man, y'all went super crazy on my last video. It hit like 2,100 views in like 18 hours, man. Thank y'all for showing hella love, man. I hope y'all enjoying these videos, man, and bring y'all some enjoyment. This thing sounds so good. Man, if I can get it open, we can really cut up. Slow shit. We trying to cut up, bro. It's that car right there, bro. What's the issue? Look what he doing. Damn, Mazda, man. He the problem. What's an old head in that car? This Audi cutting up with me. I don't know how much power that thing got, but he running that bit. Yeah, boy, cutting up in that mug. Damn, like stuff like this, bro. If you're gonna drive slow, you feel me? Get in the slow lane. What's the point of holding everybody else up, bro? That's just selfish as hell. You make it dangerous for everybody else. Even though we're doing the speed limit, you gotta watch out for 12. They be over here sometimes. I like this angle better because y'all boys can see what I see for real. That's good. We can cut up right here. You right here though. That truck low-key going faster than everybody else, but this nigga right here, come on now. That's one thing, bro. Any car you driving, if you gonna cut up, bro, make sure that you're cutting up safely. You gotta drive for everybody else, not just for yourself. Because everybody else, they just be driving for their damn self. You gotta watch out for everybody else. The view right here, nice though. Real nice. Real nice view. out the way, but man, you gotta move, bro. You feel me? Especially if you're gonna drive like that. Like I said, I was shooting my POVs in a whole nother angle, but from the comments that I'm seeing, like y'all enjoy this a lot more, bro. So if y'all do, just make sure that y'all comment to make sure that y'all want me to keep doing this angle, because this angle I like it a little bit better, bro, just because my hands are free. Yeah, this phone heavy as hell, but I can deal with it, bro. For y'all, I'll do it. This car is so much fun, because you gotta think when you driving this thing, bro, it's like, one, it's fast and it got hella torque, 495 horsepower, and then 495 pound for the torque. So bro, it's like, it's a fun car, bro. Out of every other car that I've driven other than like a Hellcat and a CTSV, this is fun, bro. We get a good little pool. This car is so much fun, man. I love this damn car. My gosh, man. But I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, man. Like I said, I just want to drop y'all a little POV of me just riding around, cruising, man, and chilling. Just want to show y'all my perspective, what it looked like, really like hands-on, man. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe, man. Just keep blowing up this video, bro. We getting closer and closer to 3K. We just hit 2K, bro, so we almost hit 2100. Just keep going it up, man. I'm gonna keep dropping banger videos for y'all, man. We'll be back with another one. Peace.